Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Dynasty traders, wherever you are around the world. It's 20 minutes past the open. Had a hard time. Again, YouTube giving me a hard time with the stream, but we're here. Let's do this. Let's share screen. All right, perfect. Oh, come back in. All right, so took the liquidity, stayed within this fair value gap. Um, let's see how we react. If we continue building a structure above this high, or we don't. Okay. So this is the daily volume imbalance in blue. Daily volume imbalance. Let's put it a bit less opaque. Opaque. I don't know if that's the word in English. Visibility. No. Blip, 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 blip. There you go. So that's the volume imbalance, the daily volume imbalance, and there we have I think it's the hourly fair value gap. Yeah, hourly fair value gap. Dipped into it. So let's see what we got over here. 1 minute. Let's see how it reacts to this. Uh, uh, okay, I see what's happening over here. Yeah, exactly. That's what I was expecting to happen. Okay. Let's see if it stays. The candles close below the top half of that fair value gap. And to be honest, these days the ranges are getting quite well. The ranges, the price action, the movement are getting quite large. So I might reduce my size by half. I like how these lows are relatively equal. Might want to go take out the liquidity, all those stops resting below there. If this continues to drop over here and comes below this, I think I'm going to use the this fair value gap as an inversion fair value gap to get these lows over here. Let's see. We have this leg down over here. Let's see where the 70% retracement is. Doodle-doo-doo-doo-doo. Around at the top of this 1 hour fair value gap. Okay. Might go straight down. Yeah. It's a nice price action below the top half of this fair value gap. There you go. All right. If it breaks below, then I'll change the color to inversion fair value gap, which is orange. First presented fair value gaps are purple, which is this one. All right. All right. Okay, so I usually put the stop loss about above the candle that makes the inversion fair value gap the high. And the take profit is going to be down here. Right here. Wow. Do we readjust it to above here? No, we've been taken out. Okay. Interesting. Should have left it above here. Let's. I see the mistake I did. Okay, so first of all, this was going to be the play of the fair value gap to play to the downside with the inversion. So this should have been the entry, like at the where both of them meet. So right here within this inversion, right? And um, second of all, I usually wait. Okay, wait for wow, big gap. I usually wait for a break below this level. A break below this level, a candle close below this level to re-enter on the shorts. So let's try and guide it again. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to get into this trade. I'm going to wait for a break below this with this candle. Going to respect what I said earlier. No FOMO. Going to wait for a break. Candle body below this, and then use this as a launchpad short. But you see how it's staying below? It's quite interesting. Staying below the inversion. There you go. Okay. My gut said take it, but without system and processes, you're not going to go too far in trading. There you go. Yo, by one tick. Took me out by one tick. Book. There you go. There's that break below. It's a break below. Yeah, I really wanted to take it, but got burnt a little too quick, so I'm going to wait until, residual emotions leave, normal thought patterns come back, and yeah, more mechanical. So see right now, I'm going to use this one, this fair value gap to go short. hefty stop loss and take profit 2 to 1. Let's see. All right, so we're in. So now it's doing all right. What time is it? 10:06. All right, so started selling at this for value gap where we entered short. This is fair value gap over here, VG, and we're going for these lows right here. Possibly even a little lower. Oh, we have a bounce back. Interesting. Let's see where it's bouncing. Take the fib from here to here, around the 70%. The only thing that's bothering me about this, like this trade is like how steep this curve is, right? So it's quite steep, the moves. So sometimes it just gives a little short squeeze in these scenarios, but it's a nice reaction. Didn't even get to the 50%, the consequent encroachment of this fair value gap. So we're going to keep an eye out. Interesting. Yep. Let's go give some juice. Come on. 10:09. Let's go see on the 5-minute what it looks like. Because on the 1 minute, sometimes you miss some things. Looks legit. Seems legit. So now we have from here to here. How about the 15-minute? Messy. And come back up here. Maybe. but 4 minutes left. Yeah, proper fight going on now. Right now, I'd like to see it go down heavy, heavy. Within the next 5 minutes. Let's see. Yep. Little more, little more. Close below this, and I think we should be fine. Another little fair value gap over here that was created. Let's see. Oh, it's this one because there's a volume imbalance included into it. Yep. Now it's just a waiting game. Now it's just a waiting game. I'd like to see it drop a little bit more over here. Yeah, yeah. It's like a proper poof. A little bit more. I think we're going for it. These lows. I mean, why not? Why not? Ooh, order block. Let's see. 50%. Consequent quotient. Let's keep on looking. Order black. Order blocks and breakers in green. I usually put them. But you see, this is like what I was saying earlier. It's like it's still quite steep, So there's no retracement and then down, and like it's not extending the curve. It's just so that we could see a nice burst all the way up here. Bam. If that happens, I guess I'll use that opportunity to short again. There you go. As I was saying. Let's see. And this one above this. Interesting. Let's see how it reacts to this for value up over here. Ideally, I wouldn't like it a candle, but a wick to go above and a candle to close above this high. I would like just to see it take it and then come back down. But yeah, it's quite good. No volume imbalance over here. Same over here. Okay, so now it's using this one as an inversion. Let's see if it musters the strength to go straight through or not. I think not, because over here well, we'll see. It didn't pass the highs, bodies stayed below. It's like if price action is indicating that we might go a bit lower. So let's keep our eyes peeled. All right, so it is using it in a way. Oh, nice breakdown. All right. I think we're going to gun for these lows. All right, so when it's going to start approaching these lows, I'm gonna adjust the trailing stop. So this I'll just cancel this. Okay, and I'll adjust this trailing stop to like the highs of each down candle. So this right now, I'm going to bring it down here. Yeah, right here. So right when it gets to like these lows, I'm going to start adjusting the trailing stop to the highs of the last down candles. So to be able to get the maximum amount of the move. Just don't like how it's reacting down here. Hmm. Stay patient. Stay patient. Keep it cool. Keep it calm. All right. It's nice. I like what it's doing right now. Let's go. New low. Ooh, they're buying it up. They're buying it up. Big break. Big break. Let's go. Boom. All right. Looking good. Looking real good. A little bit more weight over here. Let's go. Yeah. There you go. Yep. That's what I love to see. Oh, took the low of the order block. It's going to bounce back over here. Interesting. It's inching. It's inching. It's inching. It's inching. It's inching. Spending a little bit too much time for my liking down here. Yeah, exactly. I was about to close it. I was about to close it. Let's see what 70% of this move is. Um, I don't know. It's just something doesn't feel right. That's 70% of this move right here. It's right there. Yeah. Hmm. Go. It was a nice. How do you say? Take the stops over here. Nice little manipulation. Come on, push. I don't know. Stopped once again on this volume imbalance, like right here. Not feeling it. I feel like shorting some more. Let's keep it at that. Not. Let's not put more risk on the table. You know what? I'm seeing you low, 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 low. Let's keep it there. Back up here about. Let's see what this setup gives us. So we started off the day with a quick stop at around, let's see the executions. Started off the day with a quick stop over here. We entered this inversion fair value gap. Okay, we put our stop loss at the high over here. Took it by 1 tick, then went down. So now we're back in the structure, continued down, right? This candle closed below this low. That's why I took the short over here in this fair value gap. And now what we want to see is a big drop, at least till here. Right here. But it's not giving it. Not feeling it. We're probably going to see a big push in this candle. Big, 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 at least till here. If it reaches, I guess, back here, I think I'm going to cut this position. Let's see. This is the last candle. I'm going to give it as a chance. Great last candle. Let's see. Fantastic last candle. Don't start fooling around. Okay. Trade is still on. Trade is still on. You know what? If it reaches above this, I'll stay out. I'll just take the commission right here. Since I wasn't feeling up here, that was the last candle. I give it a chance to move lower. And if it doesn't, well, it doesn't. That's life. I'm going to take an L of $700 for the day. Sometimes you have to know when to lose and continue tomorrow. There's always tomorrow. Well, there's not always tomorrow if you die, but there's always tomorrow. Technically, right here is going to be like $300 of profit if I take it. But I want these lows. We worked hard all morning for them, so ideally, we're going to go get those lows. Ideally. And if not, well, I'm fine with losing today. Come on, give it to him. Uh, bro, this is tough, bro. It's not giving it to us. It's making us work. Making us work all day. Yeah, my bad, guys. I don't look at you guys any all the time because, you know, locked in, locked in trading. I'm happy I gave this candle the last chance. Come on, don't close above this. Close below, close in it, just go down. Okay, so I'm gonna trail this to the top of this candle right here. If it doesn't do it, well, too bad. I'll take a $200 profit. If it does, even better. Okay, give it the beans. Give it the beans. That's right. There you go. All right. Now I put my stop. I'm moving my stop above this black candle, this down candle. Come on, go down right here. Oh, nice, 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 nice. Very nice. Very nice. All right.